1. What is the process of mountain formation called? A. Orogeny. B. Erosion. C. Denudation. D. Metamorphism. Answer. A. Orogeny. 2. In which year was the partition of Bengal annulled? A. 1910. B. 1911. C. 1912. D. 1909. Answer. B. 1911. 3. In which part of the Constitution is the fundamental duties mentioned? A. Part 3. B. Part 4a. C. Part 4. D. Part 5. Answer. B. Part 4a. 4. Who was the Viceroy of India during the Quit India movement? A. Lord Linlithgow. B. Lord Wavell. C. Lord Mountbatten. D. Lord Chelmsford. Answer. A. Lord Linlithgow. 5. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with anti-defection? A. 9th Schedule. B. 10th Schedule. C. 11th Schedule. D. 12th Schedule. Answer. B. 10th Schedule. 6. Who is known as the Light of Asia? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Gautam Buddha. C. Swami Vivekanand. D. Rabindranath Tagore. Answer. B. Gautam Buddha. 7. Which planet has the largest number of natural satellites? A. Saturn. B. Jupiter. C. Neptune. D. Uranus. Answer. A. Saturn. 8. What is the full form of HTTP in Internet terminology? A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. B. Hypertext Transmission Protocol. C. Hyperlink Transfer Protocol. D. Hypertext Telecommunication Protocol. Answer. A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. 9. The Battle of Hydaspes was fought between Alexander and which Indian king? A. Porus. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Bindusara. D. Ashoka. Answer. A. Porus. 10. The term pro tem speaker is associated with what function in parliament? A. Conducting debates. B. Swearing in new members. C. Passing bills. D. Casting a vote during a tie. Answer. B. Swearing in new members. 11. Which organization releases the World Economic Outlook? A. World Bank. B. International Monetary Fund (IMF). C. World Trade Organization (WTO). D. United Nations Development Programme (UNDP). Answer. B. International Monetary Fund (IMF). 12. Who is the author of the book, The Argumentative Indian? A. Amartya Sen. B. Arundhati Roy. C. Vikram Seth. D. Salman Rushdie. Answer. A. Amartya Sen. 13. What is the SI unit of electric capacitance? A. Henry. B. Ohm. C. Farad. D. Tesla. Answer. C. Farad. 14. In which year was the Asiatic Society of Bengal founded? A. 1784. B. 1794. C. 1804. D. 1814. Answer. A. 1784. 15. Which chemical is used in the process of vulcanization of rubber? A. Sulfur. B. Nitrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Hydrogen. Answer. A. Sulfur. 16. What is the total number of fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution? A. 9. B. 10. C. 11. D. 12. Answer. C. 11. 17. Who was the founder of the Pala Empire in ancient India? A. Dharampala. B. Gopala. C. Mahipala. D. Vigrahapala. Answer. B. Gopala. 18. In which year was the Make in India initiative launched? A. 2013, B. 2014, C. 2015, D. 2016. Answer, B. 2014. 19. The first law of thermodynamics is a restatement of which principle? A. Conservation of energy. B. Conservation of momentum. C. Conservation of mass. D. Conservation of force. Answer, A. Conservation of energy. 20. The Koyna Dam is built on which river? A. Krishna. B. Godavari. C. Koyna. D. Bhima. Answer, C. Koyna. 21. The Montagu-Chelmsford reforms were introduced in which year? A. 1917. B. 1918. C. 1919. D. 1920. Answer, C. 1919. 22. What does repo rate mean? A. Rate at which banks lend to the RBI. B. Rate at which RBI lends to commercial banks. C. Rate at which banks borrow from other banks. D. Rate at which RBI buys government securities. Answer, B. Rate at which RBI lends to commercial banks. 23. What is the law of inertia, also known as? A. Newton's first law of motion. B. Newton's second law of motion. C. Newton's third law of motion. D. Universal gravitation. Answer, A. Newton's first law of motion. 24. What is the term used for a group of lions? A. Herd. B. Pack. C. Pride. D. Colony. Answer, C. Pride. 25. The Indus Valley Civilization was primarily known for what kind of planning? A. Temple construction. B. Grid system. C. Stepwell architecture. D. Pillar architecture. Answer, B. Grid system. Which country is the host of UNCCD COP16?